This is a shot, baby. Make sure you get this. Hold on. Yeah!
Tell me where you been. Yeah, I'm trying to find you. Do I need to remind you? Yeah.
Hey guys, Octavia, aka Double O Styles, and welcome back to my YouTube. Thank you so much for tuning back in, okay? So guess what? We're back. New do, new attitude, don't know how to act. I'm lit. It's springtime. Baby, I'm about to be cute on them, okay? Period. Period. Okay? Shout out to Sam's Beauty, okay? Because Sam's Beauty hooked your girl up. I'm about to do a curly wig this time, another curly wig this time, and I know you're gonna love it because you love the first one I did, but this one, let me tell you, baby, this one, you can move this to the left, to the right, to the center, because my last one that I did, I loved it, but you didn't have the option to move your parts here and there, okay? You didn't have that option, but with this one, from Sam's Beauty, it's called Dominica. And this is a perfect hairline, fully hand-tied, 13 by 6 lace wig. And 13 by 6 inch lace wigs are the ones where you can just move it from side, look, center, side. And she got hers up in a ponytail and all, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, they showing out with it. This is an Outre wig. It is ear-to-ear soft HD transparent lace. It has natural baby hairs. It comes with pre-attached elastic bands, so you can like pull it how you need to adjust it. If you got a big head, small head, it got the elastic band for you. I got her in color 1. Dominica in color 1. And yeah, I'm loving these curls. This is more like a looser curl vibe. It's longer. How many inches is this? Probably like 18, 20. I don't want to be wrong, but I'm just going to say 18 inch. And here is the lace. This right here, this whole centerpiece right here, where you see this brown, you can part it all through this thing and it's just going to be matching your scalp. It's going to look like it's coming from your scalp, baby. I want to show y'all the elastic band right here. It's an elastic band where you adjust it for your head size. And it has 3 combs, okay? 3 combs. 2 right there and 1 in the back. So yeah, let's get into this thing right now. Okay, so I put it on my head, and this is how the lace looks, and these are the edges they provided for me. Let me see if I can find the rest. Yeah, I think that's all I need, because for me, I'm gonna be doing the most with this. I'm gonna be moving it around in my face. I like hair more in my face, kinda. To the side too. So let me spray this. Okay, so let's get into the hair while we wait on this to dry for a minute. It's really bouncy, it's really free. As you can see, it's moving how it wants to move on its own. The curl pattern I really love. It's not as full as the one I had before, but this one is more loose curls, more loose tight curls, if that makes sense, you know. Of course, because it's longer too, and there's no shedding going on. Okay, so let's look at these parts. Y'all see that? Yeah. Free parting. Free parting. Okay, I'm getting caught up with, I can't be moving it around like that. It's gonna get caught up and tangled up, and it's too early for all that. Okay, so I finished it, hopefully. And this is kind of like my first time in a long time, like, using the wig's edges, because normally I use my own edges because I be too scared to do my own thing. But I tried it, you know, gave it a chance, and I think it's alright. You know, I don't want to get too close because y'all need to be in my business like that. But I tried. So I think I'm going to get better. And then I do like how this wig got shorter edges, because when I use other wigs, sometimes the edges be too long. I don't have time to try to figure out how long, how short I need to cut it. So one thing I do love about this wig is that the edges were perfect. swoop that thing up, okay? I don't know what side I'm gonna do it on. I guess it depends on the outfit or whatever, because like the girl did, she put hers in a ponytail, and oh my bad, Shane. She put hers in a ponytail. I think I'm gonna do that in the future, but for now I want it to be out, you know. I'm gonna move it on this side, I think, and I want it in my face just a little bit, not too much, you know. This is like kinky, okay? Dominica. I love this wig, okay? Y'all, move it over there. Or do I move it over here? Or do I do it in the middle? So if you're interested in this wig, I will have the details provided below. Sam's Beauty. Get you a wig, sis. Get you your wig. Make sure your curls is popping like this one, Dominica. And let me know. Let me know if you're gonna get it, so I can be like, yes, sis, you did the right thing. I'm gonna encourage you. Yes, sis, you did the right thing to purchase that Dominica wig. And I know you're gonna kill it, period. Because this wig right here is just effortless slay. Effortless slay, bae. Let me know in the comments how you feel about this wig. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and tell a friend, send a friend, show a friend. And yeah, make sure you follow me, doubleostyles.com. I will see you guys later.
Dice on the